Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? SSNT. We saw this in the pre market. This little tan area here is the pre market, and it absolutely exploded. This one, I think it was closed at 369 on Friday, got up to 1396 this morning in the pre market, pulled back down, and there was some news. They're talking about a $1 billion investment. I don't know who's doing it. Doesn't really matter. It's an eye-catching press release. And so now I'm not saying this was the easiest one in the world to trade. You know, when you look at all these topping tails and bottoming tails, but I have a feeling it may, if it gets back up to this 1189 area, 1180 area, towards the end of the day, maybe in the last couple of hours, you never know. It might pop through that and have a shot to get to this 14 level. But a lot of us were in this trade. But I have to tell you, it wasn't the easiest to hold on to because of all these topping tails and bottoming tails. But I mean, the stock is up 187% right now, and again, it only has 3 million in the float. So we're certainly in this low float mania, as I call it. Some of these stocks that are just going absolutely crazy with the float. Okay, guys, want to get back into the room. Have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.